Today we're going to unbox our Roamster truck camper and show you how to put it all together. Shown here is the completed product, including some fun accessories to make your camping experience even more enjoyable, like our portable diesel heater, our 270 awning, and our outdoor shower. Also shown is our crossbars, shown with the solar attachment and other camping accessories. Start by unboxing all the sides of the Roamster truck camper and get all the included tools, hardware, gaskets, and the rest of the accessories organized and easily accessible. Pictured here is truly all you will need to assemble your Roamster truck camper. Start by installing the included gasket on the side panels, where, in the next step, 4 bolts will go through to connect the panels. You can install the gasket as is and poke holes through it for the bolts, or cut it into 2 and install it as shown in this video. Once the gasket is on, grab your side cap panel and mount it to the front cap panel by screwing in the 4 bolts through the corner of the panel into the threaded rivnuts. Keep these somewhat loose and do not fully tighten them yet. You will see why in just a bit. Grab the corresponding corner gusset bracket and ensure all the bolts line up correctly. If they do not line up, adjust the cap and place a shim under either panel to hold it in the correct place. Once confirmed that all the bolts line up, remove the corner gusset and tighten the 4 bolts to secure the cap pieces before reinstalling the corner gusset for good. Install the corner gusset by screwing in the 8 bolts through the outside of the cap pieces into the threaded rivnuts on the gusset. Secure the bolts snugly. We suggest using blue Loctite to help ensure that these do not come loose. However, it is not shown in this video. Repeat steps 2 through 6 on the other 3 corners of the cap. Once the cap is assembled, it's time to install the tent. The process is the same for either the tent or cap, but this video will show us installing the tent. Start by elevating the tent by placing it on some horses, or in a way that gives you access to the bottom of it. Once your tent is elevated and you have access to the bottom, slide in the bolts into the T-track on the bottom of the tent. Line up the tent bolts to the same position as the holes on the cap. Install the included gasket around the top edges of the camper. Make some holes in the gasket where the bolts are going to slide into the cap. Lower one end of the tent onto the cap, aligning as many bolts as you can. Repeat for the other side. This may take more than one person. Apply anti-seize to the bolts and securely install the nylon locking nuts. Congratulations! Your camper is now ready to be installed onto your truck. Place the camper on the truck bed rails and properly align it. Once aligned, install the included mounting hardware, shown here.